Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to check word count in Microsoft Word. Whether you are a student trying to meet an essay requirement or a professional keeping tabs on your project's length, knowing how to check your word count is an essential skill. So let's start the video. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Now take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a little word count box displaying the number of words in your document. For additional information, click on this word count number. A word count dialog box will appear. It will show you the number of characters, paragraphs, and even pages in your document. Now, if you want to check the word count of only a portion of your document, simply highlight the text you are interested in, and it will give you the word count for just that selected portion. Here you can see it's 91 words. So that's how to check word count in MS Word. Thanks for watching.